Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name's Chrissy and today I'm going to be showing you my full collection of collaborations with Makeup Revolution. If you'd like to see them, please stay tuned. So guys, these here are some of my collaborations. Revolution or Revolution Pro. I'm aware I've pretty much got all of them. There is, as I said, there is some from Revolution, there's some from Revolution Pro, there's also a few from Makeup Obsession as well. I've also got those as well to show you, so let's get on with it. Now, I'm a bit sketchy on how they, sort of in what order they came out, and like for instance, if one person has had two palettes, I was just going to show them you together. So this is, to my knowledge, the first collaboration that Revolution came up with. This one is Fortune Favours the Brave. Bring it a little bit further in for you. But that is the palette. Soph Does Nails. That's what a channel used to be. It's now just Soph. It's a matte cream palette with rose gold writing, a name on there. This is what's inside of it. It's gorgeous. I don't know whether this is my first or second palette actually. So that is the palette. Absolutely gorgeous. An array of colours there. Jumping forward to her second collaboration, she brought the Extra Spice eyeshadow palette out, and this is highly reflective. Yeah, I'm sorry, you can actually see all my brushes, and as long as you can't see my mess, that's the main thing. The second, which again, it's quite similar, but very much different, if I'm actually making any sense. They're just more vibrant colours. Obviously, it does complement the first palette beautifully. I'll show you the Tammy palettes first. So this was the first one. This is called Tropical Paradise. That is, oh look at that. That's filthy. You can tell which I've used and which I haven't. That is the front. I need to get a new chair. This keeps on, look. It's creaking terribly. This is inside the palette. How beautiful is that? At the bottom there are the transition colours, which you're going to use more of, and so she's put them a little bigger. But this is just a total palette, all in all. Absolutely gorgeous. The shades are beautiful. Then jumping forward, Tammy did a second one. This one is called Tropical Carnival. Yeah, Tropical Carnival. Look at that beautiful palette. This is matte, so it's easy to keep clean, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like Mardi Gras in a palette, and that is the palette. These are so vibrant, these colours. Now onto the beautiful Carmi. Absolutely lovely, lovely guy. This is his first one and it's called Kiss of Fire. Beautiful shiny black case with gold writing. Rose gold, I think that is. These were bigger pans, so you get less of them, but they are bigger pans. Look at those shimmers. They're absolutely beautiful. We'll jump ahead and we'll show you this one. This is I'm not going to say it's my favourite because I love them all, but I actually use this one for my eldest daughter's wedding, for her wedding makeup, and she loved it. Everybody loved them, and makeup as well. This one is called Make Magic. It's a beautiful casing. How gorgeous is that? You've got some duochromes here, and yes, I've used this, and I've also got a spare of this one because I loved it so much. I didn't want to run out anytime soon, so I have used this. This has got his embossed little heart on the mats as well, but these along the top, the duochromes. They are beautiful. He done such a good job with this. I love it. On to, I think this came out before Carmine, maybe. This is Imagination. This is the front. It's beautiful. Inside the palette, again, lovely. Those middle rows, again, they're your transition colours, so you've got more of them because obviously you use those most. I have used this over and over. I have got 2 or 3 spares for backup, but for a palette that's been used over and over, it barely looks touched. That was the first face palette that actually came out as a collaboration, so she brought them both out together. I'm going to go with this Kizu collaboration. So that is the outside of the palette. This is inside. Then again you've got the 2 outer large shades and you've got the 16 middle shades. Beautiful. As I say, these are going to be in any order just for this section because I can't remember when how they brought them out. Nath now. She bought 2 palettes out at the same time. Oops. These are from Revolution Pro. She bought these, so she bought eyeshadow palette out and she also bought a face palette out. These are a pain in the backside to keep open because they open upwards, but that is the palette. Very nice again, but like I say, this is a nightmare to keep open. That's the only downside to it. And the new ones are exactly the same, the face palettes. Now I have actually stopped buying face palettes because they all tend to be roughly around the same type of colours. It's very nice. So this is gorgeous. This is all like a flat but glittery palette, and I have actually used this. I have actually done a look with this. That is the palette. Again, they're very, very nice. I've got no complaints whatsoever with that. Then I think, like I say, you'll have to forgive me for the order of this. We had Petra. This was the first double palette they did. That is the palette. So again, some very nice colours. They do like these 2 shades here, the berry shades, which I don't mind at all. So that was by Petra Matson. Contour blush highlighter and your eye shades. It's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning this is. Then we've got Danna ONeill. I'm probably saying that totally wrong as well. Now again, there was a couple of palettes that she brought out, but again I didn't buy the face palette. I just bought the eye palette. And this was something totally different. It was obviously a see-through front, and those are the shades. I haven't used this at all. The Danna ONeill. We have got the Needs and the Wants palette. So I'll show you this one first. That is the palette. Very simple, very pretty, but very wearable. And this is the Wants palette. This was the first time one of the big palettes had been done. That is your palette for that one. It's very nice. They Roxaurus. So we have Roxy brought out 3 palettes. She brought out 2 eyeshadow palettes and 1 face palette. This is the highlight palette. This is Reesty. I am so sorry. Look at that. Why is it so dirty? This is the only trouble with the high shine palettes that do get dirty. I don't know even why that is so dirty, because it hardly looks touched. now this is why I don't buy these, because they do look very, very similar. Obviously there's going to be shades in there I won't use at all. There's going to be shades in that I will use, so I'd rather just buy exactly what I need. Well, like I said, I bought the 3 just to keep it as a set. All the colour burst palette. Look at it, how filthy. This is like a turquoise mirror palette. And yes, I've used this one. I've done a look with this. That is the inside of the palette. And the other one is called the Ride or Die palette. Goldy colour, shiny. You can see that's the more wearable. The more wearable colours. The other one is the more sort of vibrant colours. So that's Roxorus. Now I think Rachel is next. If it was Rachel or Jack, I think it was Rachel first. Rachel Leary brought out a palette, and this is the packaging. Stunning summer colours, beautiful. Is called Goddess on the Go. This was the smaller one, so this is your travel palette, whereas you've got your bronzer, contour, blush, highlights, and then your 9 shades for your eyes. It's the larger one, and this was called the Ultimate Goddess. That is the Ultimate Goddess palette. Obviously the smaller one complements the larger one as well, so you can wear them with the shades either. Then we've got Makeup by Jack. I love this palette. I love Jack. He is such a talented young guy, and you know what, he always answers his Insta comments and his YouTube comments, which I find amazing, because there's people with less subscribers than him who don't even bother. They don't. Is Jack's palette. This is split into 4, and you can use them any different way, but it's sort of what he tried to do was he set them out is, if you're a beginner, what goes with what to complement each other. It's so beautiful, and the quality is really nice. Alexis Stone brought this amazing palette out with Revolution. Again, it was a larger palette. This is the Instinct palette. This is a typical rainbow palette, but obviously you've got lines there to do monochrome look. Transformation palette, which is that one. Actually magnetic, so it actually sticks to the bottom of the palette. There we go. So the Patricia Bright palettes, she brought 2 out. She also brought some bronzers and blush, I think. This one is rich in colour. These were in the tin. So we've got that, which is really, really vibrant. And this is another really pretty shade, really pretty palettes. So that is Patricia Bright. And I've only got one of these out of the 2 because I haven't got round to buying them yet. I don't know why. Again, I'm always buying something. Is the Sibyl, and this one is Night to Night. There is a day-to-day palette, but this is gorgeous as well. This outer casing is gorgeous. You actually have to see it in real life to appreciate how pretty it is. Those pressed glitters. If you like pressed glitters, that is, you love this. Soph also had a highlight palette when she brought her first palette out. This is actually a brand new one I bought the other day, so I haven't even opened this, as you can see, but like I say, it's to go with the first palette. Lastly for Revolution was, I showed you this on Tuesday. This is, now it's not called Kitchilek at all. I don't know how to pronounce it. I did see somebody talking about it and I cannot pronounce it. I don't know the lady. But this is the last collaboration, which is a double eyeshadow palette. She has got a face palette too, but I didn't buy it. These colours are so rich. They are really pretty. So you've got your mattes and you've got your shimmers in the complementary shades to each other. So we've got 2 collaborations with Makeup Obsession. The first being Belle Jordan. This I love. I know I love them all, but I've just got a soft spot for this one as well. Belle's palette. The artwork on the front is amazing. And this is the palette. Now this has been used. That is the palette. As I've said many times, I love Obsession because you can actually take these out and you can put them in a magnetic palette if you want just certain shades to take away with you. And the last one I have is, as I said before, it's Makeup Obsession and it's Radi's palettes, and we have got 3. So much for saying I'm not going to buy face palettes. And I did. Again, the artwork is gorgeous on this. That's the front or the back. Oh, that's the front and that's the back. Obviously day to night. One's called Sunlight, one called Moonlight. I haven't even had a chance to play with these yet. So that is Sunlight. That looks like your contour and your blush. And then you've got your highlights. You've got your highlight on the other side, which is the Moonlight. Which is really nice. I have the Dusk and Daydream palettes, which these are both eye palettes. These, how beautiful are those? Really, really pretty, really sort of enchanted castle type of vibe. Now these look actually better on your eyes than in the palette. They pack such a punch again. So that is the Dusk palette. And last but not least is the Daydream palette, which again is beautiful. And this is the more of the brights. Look at those. Gorgeous. Absolutely. So that is my collection, if I haven't missed any out, which I really, really hope I haven't, because I'll have to do it all again just to include one or two. But like I said, I have got a few to collect. There was one that was a multi-palette, a multi-face palette. It was lips, eyes, bronzer, contour, cheeks, whichever, but I didn't fancy having it because you've got your lipsticks in with your powders. I don't like that because obviously your powders are going to fall down and they're going to end up in your lips, in your lipstick. So I didn't fancy having that one. And there's, like I say, there's a couple that I need to get, but that is my collection. So if you've got this far, thank you so much for stopping this long. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already and you'd like to, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. I would really appreciate it. So I'll see you again on the weekend with a makeup look. Love you loads, guys. Bye.